Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Watch to Find My iPhone. First, confirm your Apple Watch is successfully paired with your iPhone. This initial pairing is crucial, as it automatically sets up the Find My feature for your watch. Both devices must also be signed in to the same Apple ID account. This seamless integration ensures that once Find My iPhone is active, your watch is also ready to be located, providing peace of mind right from the start. To ensure you can locate your Apple Watch even when it's offline or powered off, you need to activate the Find My network. On your Apple Watch, open the Settings app. Tap your name at the top, then scroll down until you see your specific Apple Watch listed. Tap on your watch's name, then select Find My Watch. Here, make sure the Find My network option is turned on. This extends its tracking capabilities significantly. If you misplace your iPhone, your Apple Watch can help you find it. Simply open the Find Devices app on your Apple Watch. You will see a list of your connected Apple devices. Select your iPhone from this list. You then have two primary options. Tap play sound to make your iPhone emit an audible alert, or tap directions to view its last known location on a map. For a dark room, hold the play sound button to also flash your iPhone's light. If you encounter issues with Find My, there are several troubleshooting steps. First, confirm both your Apple Watch and iPhone have a stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or cellular. Next, ensure location services are fully enabled on your iPhone. A simple restart of both your watch and iPhone can often resolve minor glitches. Finally, always keep both devices updated to their latest software versions, as updates frequently include important fixes and improvements for features like Find My.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.